Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Breakfast tayo. Coconut cake. Coconut cake with milk. You know, I'm sad. Maybe almost 2 weeks. May sulit pa all the suffer. I'm very, very sad. I don't know what happened. Why not join my life? Please join everyday my life. My life is 3 times. The first one is 1, 9. Third one, 30. Salamat po sa laging nanood sa akin. Kahit kaunti lang, may nanood pa rin. Wish ko lang na mamayang gabi babalik sila. Manood sila sa akin. Kasi wala ako sa mood. Kung wala ako sa mood, mawala din sila lahat. Okay, bye. See you my live 7 o'clock. Night time, Qatar time. Bye-bye. Take care always and God bless.